looks like. This is the old one, well, factory. It's all the same pretty much. These are the new ones. I actually got these in today actually, but they're actually the smoked out. Like these I had tinted at my tent shop, and y'all just have to see they're the same size. I'm actually gonna put one in and plug it up and show y'all the difference between these and those, and I'm gonna do the rest of them. But I'll probably have to do the rest of them in like a 2-day thing, bro, because I gotta take the back wheels off because I have the rock guards on the rear, and this one is right up against here, and I can't get to it to unplug it. So I'm gonna have to take the rock guards off again to put them back on, 3M tape them pretty much, just for the rears to get to this. But I'm gonna knock out the fronts. My boy with his wide body, he's gonna come over here. I'm gonna put in some headlights for him. But I'm gonna catch y'all up with what the stuff I had to do for this one. But I'm gonna test these out, make sure they work, and go from there. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Took me like 5 minutes to do the first one, but you have these push pins. It's 3 of them that I have. One is back here, then you have one right here, one right here somewhere. But I was missing one for whenever I got my headlights done. Like the tent shop or the shop that did my lights never gave me one back. So I'm gonna put these back in. The light is installed. Let me turn on the lights in the car. Make sure they're on. Yeah. And there you go. Let me give you another side. See what this one looks like. That's what that one looks like. And then go around the car. And that one looks like that. So I'm gonna peel this off real quick. Boom. Looks good. It's gonna be bright. I know it's gonna be crazy bright at night. But I'm gonna give y'all a view at night as well later on. It's getting dark soon, but I'm gonna let y'all see what the fronts look like compared to the back, and then we'll get the rest of them installed before the weekend. But I'll catch you on a little bit. I'm gonna put this back together, pull the car out, hop on that side, do that one, and then probably be done for the night. So I just pulled the car out. You see what the front ones look like. That's what that one looks like. That's an old one. And then you got the new one. Little differences, bro. Change the whole look of the car. You know, you got the back one. That one's that little red. I want to see if I can take this off or take it out without, you know what I'm saying, taking. But you see that's 3M tape, bro. I'm not going to be able to pull it out unless I go up under it. But I still need to pull this fender out, so I'll probably just snatch it off. Dang. But that's for tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow after work. Let me get this one done. Nah, the lights ain't on. You gotta turn the lights on.
They on now?
Turn it all the way. All right.
Brights on?
All right, as y'all can see, I had to take the wheel off for the rears and take out all these push pins. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 push pins to get up in there. But yes, sir. Take y'all to the other side so you see what it looks like compared. So I figured out these have 1 dot. It's literally a dot, and the rest of this is just like a black, you know what I'm saying, light, I guess. But you can tell the difference big time, bro. Definitely. I like it. But I'm about to knock this out. It's getting kind of dark. It was supposed to rain, so hopefully I can get this finished up before it starts raining. But I know they work, so this is very good. All right, so I put the car back together, and this is the final product. I didn't have to take these off because it was stuck on the I guess, the liner on the inside. So whenever I peeled the liner back, the flap came back with it too. So that's the only reason why I finished it tonight. If I had to take them off, I would have did it another day, bro, because that's HE double hockey stick. But it's still intact. The car's dirty, but it's finished. Looks a lot better too. It's not as plain anymore. So whenever I get with my boys, I ain't gonna say nothing to them. Hopefully, if they don't watch this video, it'll stick out to them whenever I see them. But right now, thank y'all for watching. Real simple. If you have the tools, it makes it easier by taking the wheels off the back. For sure. Make sure you, because mine didn't come. I'm gonna show you. Simple. I did it in like an hour and some change. I installed some headlights. You know, the 2020s come with the yellow bulbs. I installed some the LEDs on my boy's charger. That's what took me so long to finish it. But really, this right here, an hour, all said and done, and she's complete. I'm gonna wait till it gets darker and I'm gonna come back out here and see what it looks like. But this is it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. So I'll let the sun go down a little bit, and this is the output, pretty much the light output of the side markers, bro. It's not even a tail light, strictly the side markers. You see the orange. The amber shines a little bit on the ground. That red is bright, bro. Yes. That red is freaking bright, bro. I like it. I like it a lot. But I promise y'all I'll get y'all a night view of it. And this is the night view. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.